The arena on Varkesh Prime had been built for spectacle, not fairness. Tier upon tier of alien spectators roared as the gates hissed open, releasing the bioengineered predator into the sand pit. It stood nearly 3 meters tall, its gray-black hide reinforced with layered muscle and synthetic bone. Its designers had optimized it for one purpose: to kill efficiently, brutally, and publicly. Across the pit stood a single human. Commander Ilara Voss looked small by comparison. No armor. No weapon. Just a fitted combat suit and her bare hands. To the Galactic Combat Council, this was supposed to be mercy, one quick match to demonstrate why humans should never be allowed into regulated combat leagues again. She will not survive first contact, a counselor murmured. The predator charged. It moved faster than expected, covering the distance in a blur of engineered perfection. Its fist struck Ilara square in the jaw with enough force to shatter concrete. The impact echoed through the arena. Ilara flew back, hit the sand, and didn't move. The crowd erupted. Some cheered. Some turned away. "That's it," said the announcer. Match concluded. Ilara inhaled. Her vision swam, stars bursting behind her eyes, but consciousness never left. Human necks were fragile by galactic standards, designed for flexibility, not rigidity. She rolled onto her side and twisted sharply. Crack. Not a break. A reset. Pain surged, then faded into clarity. The human cervical spine, evolved for endurance and recovery, slid back into alignment. Muscles tightened. Blood pressure stabilized. Ilara stood. The arena fell silent. The predator hesitated. That hesitation lasted exactly 1 second. Ilara sprinted forward. She didn't match the creature's raw strength, she didn't need to. Humans had learned long ago that power meant nothing without control. She ducked under a sweeping claw, stepped inside its reach, and drove a punch into its abdomen. The crowd laughed. The predator staggered. Its internal organs, engineered, optimized, and overprotected, had not been designed to withstand the focused kinetic transfer of a human strike. Ilara's punch wasn't stronger than the predator's attacks. It was denser. Her bones, reinforced by Earth's gravity, transferred force with brutal efficiency. She followed with another punch. Then another. The predator roared, swinging wildly. Ilara took a glancing blow to the shoulder. Pain flared, sharp and immediate. She used it. Adrenaline flooded her system. Heart rate climbed. Reaction time sharpened. Human pain response didn't shut the body down, it pushed it forward. Ilara grabbed the predator's wrist mid-swing, twisted, and stepped through the motion. Tendons snapped. The crowd gasped as the creature screamed, something fear-like creeping into its engineered mind. "This is impossible," a counselor whispered. "She's unarmed." "No," another replied quietly. "She's human." The predator charged again, desperation replacing confidence. Ilara met it head-on. She ducked, drove her shoulder into its chest, and used its own momentum to lift and flip it into the sand. Before it could rise, she mounted its torso and delivered one final punch directly beneath its jaw. The crack echoed louder than the first. The predator went still. Medical drones rushed in, scanners flashing red. Neural activity, 0. Spinal column, severed. Dead. Ilara stood slowly, breathing hard, sweat dripping into the sand. She rolled her neck once more, ignoring the stares burning into her from every direction. The announcer's voice trembled. "Victory goes to the human." Silence followed. Then a ripple of fear moved through the stands. The council convened an emergency session before Ilara even left the arena. "We misjudged them," one counselor said. "They should not be allowed to fight like this." "They didn't cheat," another replied. "They followed every rule." Yes, the first snapped. That's the problem. From that day forward, galactic arenas updated their combat regulations. New clauses were added. New warnings issued. And a single sentence was etched into the Combat Council's official doctrine. Never assume a human is finished because they're still standing. And never bring a predator to a fight designed by evolution. Kindly like and subscribe channel. Thank you.